Hi, I'm Kevin Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to auto-tune our FlexPro Servo drives using our ACE software.
What is auto-tune? Auto-tune automatically calculates optimal current loop gains and can be used as an alternative to manual tuning. Just some background. Drive tuning is a multi-step process that involves proper tuning of up to 3 different servo loops. Before tuning, the drive should have the appropriate parameters and limits configured as per the limits on page 39 of the ACE user manual, so please ensure that the limits and events parameters are configured and that the motor power and feedback are connected before proceeding. The current loop is the innermost loop and forms the basis of all motion. You can select to have the current loop gains calculated based on motor and application data. This will typically provide a good starting point, although some applications may require further refinement of the tuning parameters. Before beginning current loop tuning, make sure that the motor is free to move and decoupled from the load, as sudden motion may occur. For current loop tuning, the loop configuration in the active configuration can be set to any of the available options. It is recommended to disable the drive by clicking on the disable icon on the toolbar before beginning tuning. Start by navigating to the motor menu. Verify that the motor parameters are correct. Navigate to the current loop window, which can be found under tuning and then auto tuning. Click Identify Model to determine the transfer function for the system. The step response and bode plot on the page will be populated with the system's open loop information once this step is complete. The calculated transfer function can be viewed by clicking the Transfer Function button. This will appear after the running Identify Model. The transfer function will persist during a single ACE session. If ACE is disconnected or the reset drive command is used, then Identify Model will need to be rerun to continue using the auto-tune function. In addition, Identify Model should be rerun if the system parameters such as input voltage or current limits are changed after the transfer function has been determined. Finally, click Auto-Tune to generate and calculate the optimal current loop gains. Please take note that some motor vibration may occur. The calculated gains are displayed at the top of the current loop window after running Auto-Tune. To run the step response with different gain values, make the desired changes and click the Evaluate Gains box to return the step response with the new values. The Frequency Verification button will command frequency sweep through the current loop. The step response and bode plots on the page will be populated with the system's closed loop information once the step is complete. These same steps can be repeated for the velocity and position loop auto tuning, as the process is the same. However, please ensure that you have completed the auto commutation step following the completion of the current loop tuning, as you will not be able to begin the velocity or position loop tuning without doing so.
Thank you so much. For more information or support, visit our website at www.a-m-c.com.